Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2020 Toyota Tundra. Customers complaining the door is knocking when opening and closing. Please check and advise. We'll say no more, fam. We got you. Let's go right to it, guys. I'll tell you this right now. Let's turn the light on. We got Gugat's door check. See that? So that's what we're replacing today. We got the new one there. So let's get this door panel off. Alright guys, so in taking the door panel off, there's a number of things we have to take off the panel to get the panel off. We have a clip over here that we push the center of it in and we remove it. We also have a cover right here. Very good. We also have a cloth cover within the handle that we have to take out to gain access a screw. Okay, take that out. Come on, it's gonna fight me. Very good. And we also have to remove the master switch. Very good. Clip. Push the clip in. Master switch is out. We also have a little trim piece right here that we're going to remove as well. Now we're going to take the screws out. They are Phillips. That's one. Oh, I just got blocked. There's the second. Now, you take your trim tool, and what I like to do is I usually start from the bottom, get behind the door panel, give it a pop, work your way up. Same on this side. Once it pops, you can just give it a firm giggity goo. And then, once all the clips are free, you have to pull the door panel off. Come on, come on. No, some of it got stuck to the dum-dum. And then you got the cables you have to remove. These guys right here. And then your panel is off. Very good. Now our door check is right here. Oh, that's a nice color, blue or black. It looks like there's blue flake in it. It's actually a very nice color. I didn't even notice the color of this car. Alright, so what we're going to do here is I'm probably going to remove this speaker in order to gain access to right about here. And I think I'll be able to remove the door check with no problem that way. Very good. Okay, let me unplug it first. There we go. Those are not tight at all. Alright. Let's see, let's get up in there. Oh yeah, I think I got enough room. Let's see if you guys can see. It is right there. So what we're gonna do is we'll detach it from the body here, and then I believe we have two 10mm nuts right here and right there, and we'll be able to get it out and get the new one in. Very good. Meow. I like to break these free by hand, because you never know if some goomba at the factory cross-threaded it. And there's usually Loctite on this too. Wow, that's really... Alright, there it goes. Yeah, that's probably the lock. I'm working through the Loctite. Let's see. Yep, there's plenty of it. Woo! Watch out for the door too. There's plenty a blue Loctite. So we're gonna have to Loctite this guy going in. Now for this one here, yeah, these are pretty loose. How about that one? Yep, there we go. I'll even take the socket off the ratchet and do it by hand. Alright, there's one. There's 2 nuts. Yes, that's a giggity. Now, can I get the door checked without removing the window one? Come on, why are you fighting me? Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on. Alright. There we go. So our play is within this joint right here. Now let's get the new one in. Alright guys, big tip of the video. You can put this in backwards to where once you stick it in, this won't mount properly. So make sure you go in the hole correctly. And yes, write it in the comments. Alright, new one. Here's our hole. Come on. There we go. Tips in. Come on. Come on, wiggle, wiggle. Go in. Is it in? Yes, it is. Good. Now don't drop your nuts, guys. Be careful. Like that. A little bit of dum-dum. If you don't have any magnetic sockets, just put a little bit on there. Look at that. Now, let's get these in. Alright, take 2. Let's try this again. We got our hole. Go. We got our dum-dum on the dum-dum nut. Don't be a dum-dum. That's one. Oh, try and take the dum-dum with you for the next one. Oh, come on. As you can see, it's pretty sticky, icky. Ooh, ooh. Alright, then we get the next one. Very good. Things are going a little better. Alright. Now that that's installed, let's get some new blue Loctite and get the other one installed. Alright, let's start. Very good. Now we're going to torque that to spec and continue to put the door panel on. Very good. Now before we put the door panel on, let's do a little quality check. Very good. It's not clicking, it's not popping. But you know what? Not for nothing, I'm going to spray a little bit of lube in there to make the operation that much more smooth. Very good. Now let's get this panel back on. Now one thing I can give you guys, one tip. Before you put your door panel on, inspect the door first and make sure all your clips are out of the holes. See, we found one right here. So we're gonna have to take that off and install it back onto the door panel so we can properly mount the door panel. Oh yeah, don't forget to install your speaker. Alright, so now we're going to put the door panel on. Hold the panel with one hand, and what you're going to do is you're going to work the cables with the other. Attach them to the door panel. Then once that's done, you route your master switch harness through the hole or to the general area. Now when you put the door panel on, you put the top on portion first over the lip. Very good, now that's in place. And now with the clips, they're throughout the edge of the door panel. Just give it the old good Fonzarelli all around. We're in. Make sure that your harness is through. Make sure your handle feels good. Make sure the lock feels good. So that way you know the cables are attached and you don't have to take the panel off. Now we're going to put our hardware in. We're going to put our other trim piece in. And yeah, we're going to give the car back to the customer. Very good, guys. If you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.